In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create morph animation for Canva title slides. 5 minutes. We'll build a clean, professional morph effect using Canva's match and move transition. This technique smoothly transforms your text and shapes from one slide to the next, perfect for title openings and section breakers. Start by logging into Canva in your browser or app. Once you're in, either create a new design or open an existing project you want to enhance. Pick the canvas size that matches your video or presentation so everything stays consistent throughout. Design your first title slide with the exact text, fonts, and background elements you want to animate. Keep elements tidy and distinct. Separate text boxes for each word or line can make the movement look more deliberate. Simple shapes, brand colors, and plenty of breathing room tend to produce the smoothest results. With your first slide ready, duplicate it so you have an identical second slide. This gives Canva a clear starting and ending point for the animation and prevents unexpected jumps. On the second slide, make small intentional changes to the same elements. Nudge text to a new position, scale a headline up or down, rotate a shape slightly, or adjust a color. Try to modify rather than replace. When the same object persists across slides, Match and Move can track it and morph it convincingly. Subtle changes create silky motion, while larger moves give a bold, dynamic reveal. Between the two slides, click the plus icon and choose Add Transition, then select Match and Move. This tells Canva to analyze both slides and automatically animate the differences. Open the transition settings to set the duration. Shorter durations feel snappy and energetic. Longer durations feel smooth and cinematic. Pick a speed that matches your brand's vibe and the rhythm of your video. To build a longer sequence, keep duplicating your latest slide, tweak the elements again, and apply match and move between each pair. By stacking small changes across several slides, you can morph layout, scale, and color in a controlled, elegant progression. That's all you need to create a polished morph animation for title slides in Canva. Follow this workflow, design, duplicate, modify, and apply match and move, and you'll get consistent professional transitions every time. Have fun refining your timing and spacing to match your story and enjoy the seamless modern look this effect brings to your titles.